Now, today's session is about how to crack NEET PG 2021. So, this is for the NEET PG aspirants. So, how they are going to achieve their goal. Myself, Dr. Monalisa. Now, for this certain points I want to brief that is very important for you to crack the examination. Now, first thing is that which happened on 3rd of this month, May, that was exam got postponed for 4 months. Okay, earlier also it was postponed and the date was 18th April and at another postponed for 4 months. So I think many of the students must be feeling very devastated what to do next, what to do, whether start the preparation or go for COVID duties. So that is the personal choice, that depends absolutely on you. If you have prepared very nicely for your entrance exam, you can go for COVID duty. Otherwise, you can brush up your knowledge once more, stick to your revision patterns. Okay, so again, please don't get disheartened. Okay, what is important that you have to start your preparation. So most of the students must have already started their preparation, and those who are still confused, don't waste single time. Each time is important. Start the preparation. Okay, so it's now clear in your mind that the examination is not going to happen in the subsequent before 31st August. So it was going to happen after August only. So so the month is going to end at, we have got another 10 days. So what I will suggest, that there is on average just 3 months to complete this examination preparation. So it is more than 3 months, it's more than 3 months, extra 10 days or 8-9 days are there, but you have to stick to your routine and timetable, that you have got just 3 months to crack this examination, and this is the time, and definitely it will be done. Only the thing which is important is you have to stay to your timetable, your clock, whichever time. So whether you are early riser, you want to study in the morning, or whether you want to study late night, that totally depends on you. But if you have made a certain timetable or schedule, you have to stick to it. Okay, you have to stick to it, because it's clear that this is the time where you have to give your 100% and you have to crack this examination. And sure it is going to happen. Many students feel that no, I am not so brilliant. Okay, I need more of revision. So yes, it's a time where you can utilize your time, okay, for more of revision. So take it in a positive way and be positive about the result. Just think that you are the person who are going to crack it, and if you are going to give 100%, I will tell that don't give 100%, give 200%, stick to your plans, do the revision, and I will suggest some pattern of revision, and it can be varying according to your own level. Okay, that depends that which subject you have completed more, you will want to give more time. So I think most of you must have completed one time revision. So first thing which is very important for cracking any examination is that you have to know that it will sure go to happen, the goals will be achieved, but strict to timetable, strict to your timings. Okay, if you think that you are going to study in a day 10 hours, 12 hours, 8 hours, 6 hours, whichever time you suggest, stick to that plan. Okay, stick to that plan. Okay, and you have to assess yourself also. Now the thing which is very important for those who are going to crack this examination is that they have to make certain timetable. The first thing is that start planning, and start not just planning, you have to stick to this plan. So you have, whether you have completed the first revision very nicely, that means second and third revision. So what I suggest before this exam, so we have got 3 months, okay, just slightly more than 3 months, but I will count it just 90 days only, 3 months. So you have to see whether you want to give more emphasis on the first revision. So for this 3 months also, you go for 3 revisions. Before the examination, you go for 3 revision. You have to make a certain guidelines and timetable to achieve your goal. So 3 months strategies to crack NEET PG 2021. Okay, so the thing is that I will suggest that students are actually knowing what to do. All of the students are knowing it. So once more, I will not tell that you have to study. All of you are adult, maybe so more than 18 years already. So you are knowing this, that if you want to achieve things, you have to give your 200%. So only the thing is that I would like to give my point of view, and you can just adjust to it according to your preparation. So I am giving you 3-month strategy to crack the NEET PG 2021 for the students of NEET PG aspirants. Okay, so 3-month strategies for NEET PG 2021. What is it? So I want 3 revisions. So I would suggest that 3 revisions should be done for completing this examination or come out with good rank. So you want 3 revisions before the examination. And yes, you have already got time, so you can utilize it. So let me just give you the layout. Yeah, so this is the layout which can be adjusted by you. It's not that you have to follow it so nicely. It depends on you, as I already told. But what I suggest, that 3 revisions before the examination is very important. So first is to categorize the subjects. Okay, altogether how many subjects we have to prepare? We have to prepare 19 subjects. So you have to categorize the subjects as vast subject or large subjects. So according to me and according to most of the faculties and educators, the subjects which require more of a time are following subjects. So they are medicine, surgery, gynae and obs, patho, pharma, anatomy, and that of PSM. So these are the 7 subjects which require major chunk of your time. So you have to give more time to this subject. So what I am giving you the timetable or the schedule is that for the first revision, second and third revision. So how many revision we require before examination is 3 revision. So I am giving you the strategy for the first revision. This is the strategy which is for the first revision. Second and third is depending on you. If you think that this subject needs more of a time, you have to give more time to that subject. Okay, so this is about vast subjects. So I would like to emphasize, so for these subjects you can give approximately, for medicine it requires, it's a very vast subject, so many important chunk of MCQs also come from this topic. So 8 plus 1, a total of 9 days should be given for medicine in these 3 months or 90 days. Surgery will require 8 days, complete surgery in 8 days, gynae and obs 6 days. And this will be easy for you because I think till now you must have gone through one-time revision, and those students who have studied very nicely in the first time, they will require less time. So for patho also I think 6 days is required. Pharma 5 days is enough. Anatomy another 6 days. And PSM also requires 6 days. Okay, so these are the timing according to me, which is dedicated to these large subjects. Okay, it can be modified. Okay, now coming to the first revision strategy only for the other subjects. So medium subject, so medium subject means the subject which is not very vast and not very short. So in this category, I think these are the medium subjects according to me. Okay, the subjects are Optha, ENT, Pedia, Physiology and Biochem, and Micro would also be in these category only, microbiology. So yes, so actually we have got so actually I will categorize. You can reduce also on the some of the subject, you can reduce the timing. So you can give 4 days to each subjects approximately. So approximately it depends, it depends, so 4 to 3 days it depends, that is approximately dependent on you. So how many days you are going to give these subjects, so it totally depends on you. So we are like 4 to 3 days, so 3 days, 3 days, 4 days, 3 days, 3 days, 4 days. This approximately depends on you. So I'm not going into mathematical calculation that exactly it should be that. 2-3 days can vary according to my calculation, according to your calculation. So that totally depends on you. Again I'm stressing on this point. So, and the short subjects. So those who want so generally for short subjects, I have categorized that 1 day is enough. So if you want 2 days also, you can add on. Okay. So for short subjects, derma, radio, anesthesia, psychiatry, FMT, ortho. Okay. So these are the 6 short subjects and it would require 1 day each. Those who want more days for any subject, they can increase it to 2 days also. But you have to stick to this routine. 2-3 days can vary. So approximately what I think for this first revision. So what I think that approximately for the first revision, the total time which I have dedicated is 60 days, total of 60 days. It can be 65, it can be 58, it can be 67, means 4-5 days can vary, nothing to worry about this because we have got additional 8-10 days also. So second revision, after that before examination, you have to revise the entire subject for another 20 days. And in the last 10 days, that is the rapid revision is required. So for this ultra rapid revision will require 10 days for entire subject. This makes a total of 90 days. Okay. So my dear students, my dear friends, I would like to tell you friends, because all are already doctors and they want to become specialists. So all the best to all of you. Just utilize this 90 days in the most special way, with most of the time studying. Be away from social media. Okay. Don't get disheartened by bad news and all. You have to give your 100%, 200%, and you are going surely to crack this. So all the best to my dear colleague, my dear friends and students. You are sure going to crack it. And just what is important, that stick to your plan. And in this process, please my dear friends, the other point which I want to address here, please so you have to, at a regular interval, you have to assess your progress. So just assess your progress. So you have to assess your progress. So whether your preparation and your utilization of time is going in a positive way or not. So that is also very important. And one of the important point about Unacademy platform is that many of the sessions in which MCQ sessions are going on. So you can be the part of these MCQ session. You can keep 1-2 hours every day for just going through grand MCQs and multiple choice MCQs or any subject MCQs, which will give you a perfection to your studies and your preparation. So that also can be done. That will be very beneficial for you. And my dear friends, before ending the session, I would like to give just a introduction about the platform of Unacademy. Yeah. So about this platform, so many courses are coming up. So you can use my referral code ANAT10 if you wish to take the iconic subscription where Prep Ladder and Unacademy, both benefits can be utilized by you. And I also want to tell about the preparation strategy. Boost your NEET PG preparation by taking 3 months of subscription, and again extra 1 month of subscription is absolutely free to you. The upcoming sessions which is coming up, those who students has got enough time and they want to join for the MBBS foundation batch for second years, they can just join this. Again they can use my referral code ANAT10. Other sessions which is coming up is the sessions for the third year professional students. They can again use this code for 10% discount. Target next session. So this is the batch which is highly recommended for those students who are in second year, third year and all. Simultaneously they can brush up their revision and target their next examination preparation 2022. So NEET PG 2021 image session is coming up on the Unacademy platform. So those who want to be the part of this image session, they can just use my code for 10% discount, and they can boost up their preparation. 34,000 of MCQs are there on the Unacademy platform. So do join and take the benefits of solving all these MCQs. Download the app. Okay, download the Unacademy app. Thereafter, search for your goal as NEET PG. Who want to take the subscription can utilize this, and add 10 is my code for 10% discount, and for referral code for unlocking free sessions on the Unacademy platform. So the very important point which I want to tell is that many free sessions are there on the Unacademy platform, so you can be the part of these free sessions. Okay, so here is the subscription detail and the cost, any of which is good for you, which you think you can join this. Now I also want to give you the detail about the free sessions on the Unacademy which I am taking. So unlock free sessions by using the code ANAT10. So many of my sessions are free. I would like to give you just a brief about my free session, those who want to know. So my sessions are like this. Schedule for this month is Let's Crack NEET PG 2021. So that is going on, and every day the timing is 7:30 PM. You can join me for this session. Let's Crack FMGE session 9 PM is the timing. So you can join me for this session, and also conceptual anatomy session is going on, and the timing is 6 PM. This will be beneficial for those who want to appear for their next examination 2023, or they are in the first year MBBS student, because in this session, that is 6 PM session, I am going from the basics. Okay, it's entirely conceptual anatomy, so I go in much detail in this session. So these are a whole routine of mine. Let's Crack NEET PG session. 7:30 PM is the timing every day, 7:30. Today also evening I am going to take the session, and today's session will be the 8th session. Total 15 sessions I have given to this month, and Let's Crack FMGE session, the 9 PM is the timing. So today also 9 PM. It's on the Unacademy platform. So this is a special session, especially free for the aspirants and students. What you have to do, you have to use the code ANAT10 for unlocking free sessions on the Unacademy platform. And also you can utilize the timing of conceptual anatomy. This is 6 PM session. This is especially useful for the students of first year MBBS, and also those who want to crack the next examination. So this is all for today's session. Hope this would be useful for you. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much, and be positive, and sure we are going to crack it. All the best, students. Thank you.